So what up, YouTube? Lord BrapBrap here with my buddy Kevin. Say hi, Kevin.
See ya.
We just got off work and now we're hungry. So we're going to Quick Walk. No, it's not Quick Walk. It's what?
Great Wok of China.
Great Wok of China. Up here.
Come on, button.
Up here in
happy button. There we go. Button's happy.
Up here in beautiful Oceanside, California. Is it considered lane splitting if if I go in with another bike?
I think we're good. We can do this. This is legal.
This is totally legal. What's up, bro? Boom.
Oh man, what happened to your brake light?
Oh, one of the tabs broke off. So now I gotta get me a new one, but right now I'm gonna drill it in zip tie because I build my bike with zip ties. That's thing though.
Yep.
He's gonna kill us.
Oh, the bummer, the traffic. Alright, now hopefully we can make room. Never mind. Don't need to make room for shit. I'll go right.
Alright, I'll go left. Moto guy can go in the middle.
Yep.
It's turkey weekend, yo. Finally off. Fucking chillin'.
Yep. Chillin'.
Chillin'. Just put my goddamn leg on my goddamn.
You know it's gonna turn green in like.
No, it turns green seconds. After all these cars go. I know this light.
Yeah. But like.
Bro, I stunt, yo. I stunt, bro.
Not even.
Dude, bro, that's totally a stunt. Biker, bro.
Man, the daytime green light for them is really long.
I can make it.
Yeah, dude, cruise control is so awesome.
Oh, I know, dude. When I was using this here, I'm like, oh.
Right?
Oh.
It lets you drum solo like a boss.
Yeah, dude. It was like,
a great $30. $25 for you.
Bro, $25 because I got the pink one.
Well, that dude totally didn't understand what he was getting himself into when he said,
I know.
And you were just like, do it.
Yeah, he's like, I'll give you this. Dude, you should have saw I had a tattoo, right? Because they airbrush shit.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got a unicorn on top of a fucking a V motor. So he looked at me and he's like, "No, do it." I'm like, done. He's like, what? He goes, damn, I just lost $5.
Right.
All my sound effects for when I go.
Yeah, right? I love sound effects.
Right? It's like the coolest thing ever. It makes you sound so much hipper and cooler.
Right?
Pachoo, pachoo!
Pachoo!
Fuck this, I brap.
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Fuck this, I brap. Like, that's a legal fucking thing for me. Yep. White line. Yeah. This one's gonna take a while.
I don't know this one by heart yet. Because I'm normally not coming this way.
There's a cop there.
And?
No, I'm saying what's up to him. Because he's my best friend. I keep him best friend.
Pulls over all the retards in the metal potato car. In the metal potato cage.
Metal potato? Hey, I like my metal potato.
Yeah.
That looks nice. You like my signature pose? How you doing?
Yeah.
What's up, dude? Again, if I see you passing by, I know I see you. Sometimes my hand don't go up fast enough. But I see you.
Right?
I give you props. You're on the internet now. I see you, you see me. Together we see each other.
Yeah.
You feel me though?
Yeah.